Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad and grow a garden prismatic step by step. Start by selecting robust lettuce, arugula, and herbs suited to your prismatic setup and harvest often. Prepare nutrient solution as recommended and adjust pH for steady growth. Trim outer leaves and rotate crops to maximize yields and flavor. Keep pests out with gentle, organic controls and enjoy steady salad harvests from your Begin with good spacing and clear labels to prevent overcrowding and confusion later. Use seed trays or direct sowing as your prismatic system recommends, keeping rows organized by crop. Sow at recommended depths and water gently to settle seeds without washing them away. Thin seedlings when the first true leaves appear so air flows and roots develop well. Proper spacing saves time and boosts salad quality through the season. Maintain consistent care to keep salads tasty and abundant in your prismatic garden. Follow a feeding schedule with balanced nutrients and monitor EC and pH for stable conditions. Inspect leaves and stems twice a week for pests or disease and act quickly with safe treatments. Harvest individual outer leaves and small heads to extend production and rotate crops to keep soil and systems healthy for continuous salad supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.